Hi guys, welcome back to my mukbang channel, Tasha's Eating Show. I am eating snow crab legs, and I have a king crab leg, and I have corn and a potato, and I made this sauce. This is that sauce that BLOVES makes, the Smackalicious sauce. I didn't know. BLOVES know what she doing. I had not tried it, and I don't know why, but it's so good. I was tasting it while I was making it, and I made it just like she makes hers, except I added liquid smoke, which is really good, and then I also added, what else did I put in there? Oh, and I didn't use as much butter. I used the what did I use? I used chicken broth. It's good. And I can use Tabasco, because I don't have it. But I put some other hot sauce in there. This didn't come out. There we go. And of course I got my main man Joe in the background mooching. Excuse me. Yeah, there's gonna be burping in this, and I understand why she calls it Smackalicious. There might be smacking too, just so you know. So this is gonna be the first video that I put on my Instagram. I just learned how I can edit the video to make it like the right colors. Yeah, I care about that. But for a long time, I was doing this, and I've been doing this as long as I've been doing YouTube, because this is what I was doing to get over my fear of being on camera. And it's like the one thing that, it's not the one thing, but I'm so comfortable doing it. I really like doing it. And I wasn't doing it because I was afraid of what other people thought. And I'm real tired of living that life. It's annoying to think of like how many things I haven't done because I'm afraid of what other people will think. And I'm not doing that no more. So y'all about to see a lot of mukbang. Oh, it's spicy. Excuse me. So I'm gonna still keep posting like pictures and stuff, but I'm gonna start posting my mukbangs too. I'm sure it'll get interesting. But yeah, I was afraid to put it up there because I thought about what other people thought, and that's a stupid reason to not do something. A real stupid, and fear. I can't let fear dictate my life. I did that long enough. That's what got me to the point where I feel like I need to hide. Baby ain't hiding no more. And you know what? If you have something that you've been thinking about doing, ain't nothing stopping you but you. I don't care. At this point, I don't care what nobody thinks. I can't do it no more. I'm tired. And everybody feels insecure sometimes, whether they want to admit it or not. So here we are, eating together. Her sauce, oh, and I didn't put vinegar in mine, but her sauce is like sweet and tangy and spicy, and oh, it is good. I just had like a moment where I was like, I'm proud of you, Tosh. That's what that look was. I'm proud of you for following your dreams. I don't know if mukbang is my dream, but it's definitely something I like to do. So here we go. I'm gonna start making this sauce more. I think I'm gonna do a shrimp mukbang tomorrow. That could be fun. Oh, this is so good. So I boiled my snow crab in sugar water. Actually, I boiled everything this time, and everything got boiled in sugar water. Because I used to make my corn like that. You don't get all the meat. Nope. I used to make my corn like that. I was like, why don't I boil everything? So the crab meat is like really sweet. Oof. I had a conversation with my friend today, and he was telling me that he wanted to start a mukbang channel, but I'm gonna leave you unnamed. But thank you for watching, because I didn't even know he watched me. And he was like, yeah, I love watching mukbangs, but I'm afraid to be on camera. I was like, dude, that's what mukbang was for me. I was afraid to be on camera, so I just did this in secret so I could get comfortable. But if you look at my first video versus this video, it's a huge difference, even in my confidence. Thank you, B-Love. You made this so much better. And you don't even know me. But, people gonna think you weird regardless of what you do, if it's different from what they do. And you can't be like everybody else. It fell apart. It's okay, I got it though. I just got a huge piece of ginger. Oh my God, it was delicious. I like ginger. It's a strong plant. But man, pickled ginger, I can eat that out the jar. So hopefully my friend starts his YouTube. I just told him to eat from the mouth down, then nobody will know it's him. Until he gets more comfortable. Oh, my ear. Ooh. I was trying to get a big old hunk of meat. Well, there's the cleanup crew. Jojo, get in your bed. Thank you, baby. Mm, mm, mm. I wonder how the corn tastes or the potato tastes in it. Let's try that first. With everything just piled on top. I love potatoes. Y'all see I ain't said nothing. I have to go get some more of those sodas. I haven't been to the store. But you know, there's only that one Italian soda that I like, and that's the only one I'm gonna drink. Or it's water. Recently, I decided to take my mukbang channel more seriously because I do genuinely enjoy it. And the only thing that was holding me back was fear of judgment. And so I've been watching like way more mukbangs. I'm done running from the fact that I enjoy doing this. So I'm watching more and getting hungry. I don't know how this going. Ooh, I need it to fit in the bowl. And that's why you boil your corn in sugar water. Sugar water. It's so sweet. No lipstick on my chin. This guy. These things, man. I wish they would file them down. I got my scissors. That would take a long time though. I wouldn't want to be filing. Ooh. I wouldn't want to be filing crab. I might need better scissors. I don't know, these are good. That was just the hard part. They stuck. Excuse me, they stuck. Ooh. Oh, look at that. I thought I told you to get in the bed. Get in the bed. Thank you. It's stuck in my tooth. I have an event that I'm going to later. That's why my face is beat. For a girl who's relaunching her blog. So I'm looking forward to that. I've never met her, but I've talked to her because like we're in a, oh, it's spicy. But I talked to her since, excuse me. Every time I drink something, like if I drink a whole bunch of water, it just feels like I need to burp. Just like to let whatever air bubbles that went down with it out of my system. Oh. But we're in the same blogger group. Get in your bed. Get in your bed. Dang, man, I'm trying to put you in the shop. The people want to see you too. We going back for this thing. I don't know how to. They're so spiky and I just don't want to cut my hand. Look at that. Look at that spike. Can y'all see that? Come on. My other scissors broke. They got real. Oh, there we go. I'm just not cutting the right part. I wish I had a hammer. I have one Instagram follower that I know hates when girls burp. I can't wait till he sees this. He's gonna be disgusted. One time I burped when we were on FaceTime and he got off the phone. I was dying. Deal with it. Girls burp too. I don't know why y'all act like we don't. Please. Oops. Getting all that meat out. I wish I could get it as like a whole chunk. I gotta eat more king crab and then I won't have to, my technique will be better. Cause y'all see how I do these. My mom never bought king crab when we were growing up. She always got snow. Her excuse was that it's not as sweet, but I think it's just not as cheap because it ain't. I'm barely getting anything out of these. This is why I like king crab so much. You don't have to fight like you do this. Oops. Mm. Mm. See, and some people don't eat like that part. There is so much sauce, or not sauce, like I'm sauce on the brain. There's so much meat in this. Y'all better eat this. I don't remember if I finished. I need to quit trying to talk. Okay, this is the last thing I'm gonna say because I can't keep talking. I'm gonna choke up. I don't know if I finished my thought on the blogger event, but it's a girl that I know. We're in the same blogger group, and she's relaunching her fashion blog. So I'm really excited to see, like, I'm really excited to meet her. Oh, there we go. They only had one king crab leg left. Or claw, I guess. Ouch. It hurts so bad. I don't know how I'm supposed to. There we go. Ooh, there we go. I should try to break this one too. Ooh. All right. Now we cooking. Now we cooking. My scissors are stuck. Okay. Cause them spikes, y'all, you don't understand. King crab ain't trying to give up no meat. Is there a soft spot? I guess not. Haha, got it. Oh. Oh my God, y'all. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna keep talking. So one person that I follow, I don't know why, one person that I follow on his Instagram story, he always is watching like really interesting stuff. And he was watching American Horror Story, the new one that's Apocalypse. I haven't been watching it, I actually just rewatched Coven, kind of just used it as background noise for when I was working. And Apocalypse is so good. I'm on this. I just watched all 3 episodes because there's only 3 out. I'm mad. I should have waited till the whole season ended, because now I'm gonna be sitting here waiting like, when the next one come out. You are so funny. He like, my tail is in the bed, so technically I'm in the bed. Get your butt back. Sorry, y'all. I had to make sure that the camera was on. Sometimes you forget. You're like, oh my God, did I hit? Excuse me. Bless me. I was like, oh my God, did I hit record? JoJo, get in your bed. Get in your bed. Thank you. I gotta sneeze again, but it won't. Excuse me. And y'all know what? Thinking about my channel, I've jumped around with what I want my niche to be so many times because I don't know what I want. I don't know what I'm still figuring out what I like. And it's annoying because, number one, this is something that I like, that I've been doing for a while. So why wasn't I investing my time in that? It's funny how that happens. Like, you'll see other people doing stuff and you'll just be like, oh, I can do that. But like, that's their passion. They like doing that, and that's why they do it. This is the one thing that I'm positive I like doing. As far as like my niche, like, you know, do I want to you know, you got your style bloggers and your natural hair girls and and I like doing that stuff too, but I love eating. It's like lipstick on my chin. Oh, I don't got no lipstick on my chin, y'all. I'm getting better. So yeah, like even for a while there, I thought my niche was self-love, but actually this journey is just self-love. I realized that when I was on this panel with these women at like this vloggers convention thing. Like all of us very clearly, like you gotta love yourself, because you won't be able to be yourself doing this if you don't. You're not gonna have the confidence to put out the material. Not saying that like if you don't put out stuff, you don't love yourself, but like for real, it takes guts to put yourself out there, and it's the first step. There's such a mess on my table, and the first step is how does it feel? Yeah, I got it. The first step is really just accepting yourself for who you are. So here I am, stepping. There we go. What else did I think my niche was? You know what? I would just say that I've learned a lot about myself since I started this. I've learned more about what I like and what I don't like. So maybe that's my niche. Figuring out what I like and what I don't like. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Look at that. It's like a toe. Y'all know somebody whose toe look like that? You imagine? You gotta throw the whole foot away. That's a bad toe. Yeah, Joe, you lucked out this time, player. There is food to clean up. Yeah, I don't even know why I tried that. It never works. That's so good. Oh, haha. What was that trick I learned the other day? Yeah. Use what you have. I would probably be so much better if I was like on a desolate island and I had nothing to do but be resourceful. I'm over here leaning on convenience or leaning on convenience. No, that is not the way to go. Okay, how we gonna tackle? Oh, it's already cracked. Okay. Oh, look. I'm so happy. I got that big old piece of meat in there. Look. I want it to be intact. So, hold on. I got to maneuver. You want a piece, Joe? What? Okay, first of all, aren't you supposed to be in the bed? Get in your bed, and then I'll give you a piece. Dang, fam. You so cute, though. Oh. So like a little bit dropped, and he looked down at that, and so then I ended up dropping the piece of meat on his head. My bad, Joe. He still eat it though. He don't care. Yeah, it was good, huh? I didn't give you no sauce. I can't give you no sauce. It's bad enough I'm giving you human food. Okay, look at that. This is why I saved like the big pieces for last. I'm gonna roll that thing around in there. What have I thought was my niche? Natural hair, not makeup. I've never wanted to teach people how to do makeup. I only know how to do my makeup, and I don't want to be one of them girls that's trying to tell you I know how to shape your face. I don't. I could probably learn though, but I don't think that would be something I was passionate about. He just looked at me so fast. Like, you got some more? What else? I like to write, so blogging is still fun. What else? I don't know. I've just bounced around, but that's normal. Like, you should bounce around and figure out what you like. You don't gotta explain nothing to nobody. Some people just know, and other people like me have to trial, or we have to do trial and error. Like, but I know I like eating seafood. Y'all know I love corn. All right, guys. I am all done. I ate everything. It was delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up. Hold on, is that a shell? Yeah. That's what I get. Because now I'm a scavenger. Oh, look, potato. We gotta eat that. Now I'm a scavenger. Looking for more stuff to put in the sauce. Shout out to BLOVES. Because this is delicious. So yeah, what was I saying? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share, guys. I appreciate it so much when y'all share my video. And subscribe if you have not already, because I don't know why you wouldn't have. And what's my last thing? Oh, hit the little bell, because if you hit the bell, then you'll get alerted when I'm gonna think I'm ghetto. I don't care. There. Oh, there was some corn like stuck right there. You will get an alert if you hit the bell for when I post a new video, which I'm trying to do at least 4 videos a week. So yeah, give me a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you later. Bye. My hands are so dirty. They're so dirty, Joe.